Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. Today we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter 8, Force, Energy and Machines. Along with that, we are going to see chapter 7, the last portion of division. So, the last portion of chapter 7, there is a sense organs. So in our body parts, there are 5 important sense organs are there. Eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. Each and every part, sense organ, they are useful to us, right? For example, if you say the eyes, we can able to see this beautiful world with the help of our eyes, right? We have 2 eyes to see the world. So what are the parts of this eye? Cornea, iris, pupil, sclera, lens and retina. These are all the 6 parts of the eye. And the next sense organ, it is called as an ears. We can able to hear the sound with the help of our ear, right? Without ear, it is not possible. So the ear is divided into 3 parts. What are they? Middle ear, inner ear and outer ear. These are all the 3 parts of our ears. Then nose. So the nose helps us to smell different odors, right? Odor means what? Smell, fragrance. And it also helps us to breathe. For breathing, we need the nose. And then talking about the tongue helps us to sense different tastes such as the sweet, sour, bitter and salty. And the last one, skin. It helps us to feel, touch and sense the heat, cold and pressure. So these are all our sense organs, 5 different type of sense organs which are very useful to us. So here we are completed our 7th chapter revision. And now we will discuss about our 8th chapter, Force, Energy and Machines worksheet. Okay, choose the correct option. First one, movement across the rough surface, it causes the dash friction. That is, on rough surface the friction will be very more, and in the smooth surface the friction will be less. So here the question is asked about rough surface, so you have to underline more. Second one, a dash is the long narrow inclined plane wrapped around a nail. So what is the answer? It is called as a screw. The screw is a long, narrow, inclined plane wrapped around a nail. Third one, we are able to stay on the ground due to dash. So due to the gravitational force, we can stay on the ground. Fourth one, dash reduces the friction between different parts of the machine. So dash reduces the friction between different parts of the machine. It is a oil. Which among the following, it is a form of energy? Mechanical energy, potential energy, muscular energy. All are said to be the different forms of energy. So the option is all of these. Come to the next one, fill in the blanks. The purpose of pulley. So why we are using the pulley? Mainly to lift the heavy object. Okay. Second one, a rolling ball stops after sometimes because due to friction. Next one, dash is an ability to do the work. So energy is an ability to do the work. Fourth one, a wheel with a rod attached to it. It is known as axle. What is the answer? It is said to be axle. Lever can be classified into dash types. That is, lever have three parts: load, fulcrum and effect. Sixth one, dash is a simple machine used to hold the things tight together. So lever is a simple machine used to hold the things tightly together. And then match the following. First one, first class lever. Scissor is an example of first class lever. Second class lever, it is a bottle opener. Second class lever का example bottle opener. Third one, third class lever. Third class lever का example fishing rod. Fourth one, chemical energy. Chemical energy का example battery. Then write the short answers. Define wedge and screw. A wedge contains the two inclined planes joined together to form a sharp cutting surface. That is, two inclined planes, they are joined together to form a sharp cutting surface. And then screw, it is a long narrow inclined plane wrapped around a nail. Second one, what are the two types of pulley? The two types of pulley are fixed and movable pulley. Third one, define the inclined plane. A flat supporting surface. At one angle it is tilted and another end it is raised in relation to another end. It is called as an inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat supporting surface. One end it is tilted and another end it is in the raised position. Then what are the different types of energy? The different types of energy are heat energy, light energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. So many different type of energy are there. I have written heat energy, light energy, wind energy, geothermal energy. And then what is an electrostatic force? Electrostatic force is a force that a charged body can exert on another charged body. Example, take a comb, rub your hair with the comb. Now bring a piece of paper near the paper. So the paper will be attracted to the comb because the comb is a charged body and the paper is an uncharged body. So a force is created that is called electrostatic force. And then answer the following in long. Here I have written the page number only. You can write the minimum points. For example, first question, what are the effects of the force? Come to page number 102. In 102, 6 points are there. Force can move the stationary object. That is, when a football is kicked, it will move, right or not? Where football is said to be a stationary object, if you apply the force, the ball will move. And then second one, force can stop a moving object. When you see the goalkeeper, what he will do? He will catch us the football. So the football is a moving object. The goalkeeper will apply the force. He can stop the moving object. And then force can change the direction of the moving object. Force can change the speed of the moving object. Force can change the shape and size of an object. And then next one, type of forces. Sorry. Second question, explain the method of increasing and reducing the friction. Come to page number 103. So there are two paragraphs are there. Methods of increasing the friction, methods of reducing the friction. That is, the soles of our shoes are grooved. This increases the friction between the soles and the ground. And then methods of reducing friction, adding lubrication, it will reduce the friction. Applying oil or grease between the moving parts, it will reduce the friction. You can write these two paragraphs. And then third one, explain about the different forms of energy. So come to page number 106. There are different forms of energy are there. You can write any three important points. Heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, mechanical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. So there are different forms of energy are there. You can write any three by your own. So up to this, our term 1 syllabus has been completed. We completed our worksheets. We completed our textual exercise. So please complete your fair notebook worksheet in your fair note.